One of the most important tools to use with Google Slides is Control and Z, and it works with not only Google Slides, but any of the Google tools. So we're going to practice. I'm going to click this keyboard and make it disappear by hitting delete or backspace. Oh no, it disappeared. What do? I hold the Control and the Z key at the same time, and it's back. It works. So Control is found either on the bottom left or the bottom right of your keyboard next to the arrows. So you hold that and hit Z, and it will always fix something that disappears or undo any of the changes that you just did. So if I choose to rotate this, I can fix it by holding Control Z. That's it. It undoes whatever your last action was, and it fixes. So if something is gone all of a sudden, hit Control Z, it will come back. That's it.